This is Daniel. What's your YouTube name?
FlyTheSkysFull.
FlyTheSkysFull with his. Look at that, man. It's 3D looking, man. That's just awesome. With a bird, with ailerons and V-tail. Yeah, man. Do it. Are you ready? Ooh. Throttle back. There you go. See all over with the sticks? Watch that cigar burn his fingers. Look at that bird. Have you ever seen a seahorse on top of a sign before? There's one. I'm never gonna see it that far away. I'm never gonna see it that far away, dude. Here it comes. Here it comes. Nice. That looks cool, man. Walk out here. That's David. Walk out here and do a slow pass going this way into the wind. You're fighting the controls a little left and right.
A little bit.
Put some expo in them or something.
Yeah.
What's a glide like into the wind going north here? Power off. Little up, little up. Huh. It likes a little power. It's got a little drag. Huh?
Definitely, yeah.
It looks cool though, man. Looks very cool.
Looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
If I could just get it to glide really good and be able to catch thermals, that would be great. But as it is right now,
You got a lot of polyhedral in there, maybe too much. If you broke those polyhedral tips and maybe went half that degree,
right.
I think it'd be better.
Really?
Yeah, because I think it's fighting itself to get level no matter what.
Right.
With that much in it, that's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's huge.
That's what I was wondering. You know, when I first saw it, I was like, wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
But I was thinking it would help it, but I guess not.
Well, it probably is. I mean, if you don't fight it turning, does it right itself?
Yeah, kind of.
Well, you said it was a 3-channel.
Yeah. Originally it was a 3-channel, but I put ailerons on it because I just couldn't see in trying to fly this with just a 3-channel and V-tail. That would be one fight.
Yeah, I think so too. You know, come back up this way. Land that sucker, land it right into the cam here.
I'm gonna have to bring him into the wind. Oh, I can't do it. Oh man, that was a long way away.
Oh well, there's always another day.